Hi, my name is Jenya Rose. I'm an enrolled agent and financial advisor, and I own a business called Airline Taxes that specializes in flight crew tax returns. We've always done per diem city by city and all of the flight crew deductions that you guys can take. This year, 2018, is very strange. As you probably know, the new tax laws passed removed the ability for anyone that is an employee that gets a W-2 to deduct any work-related expenses. So that's across all industries and especially affects flight crew, since you will not be able to deduct union dues, uniforms, cell phone, everything we used to deduct is not a deduction anymore. However, you still need to, in my opinion, have your tax return prepared by a professional, especially flight crew professional, because you are going to have a reimbursement on your W-2 that is going to need to be considered not taxable. So we know how to do that to make sure that your airline reimbursement is not considered taxable income. We also are keeping track, obviously, of these laws and waiting for your deductions to come back. The tax law that was put into effect is only from 2018 to 2026. I know that sounds like a long time, but things change really quickly at the IRS, especially if a lot of people complain. And I believe that this year, 2019, when people are doing their 2018 return, there's going to be a lot of realization of the deductions that have been lost, even across industries like truckers and line workers and salespeople that travel for work. There's hopefully going to be a bit of a backlash, and they're going to bring back the deductions. We can only hope, but we really do hope, because it makes a big difference on your tax return, obviously. So we are still here for you. You can call us, or you can go to our website, airlinetaxes.com. If you have any questions, we have the FAQ page still up. It's a little bit different now, because it has the new tax law, some of the new tax law rules on it. But it's easy to do your taxes with us. You just download a packet, a new client packet, or you ask us for one. You can also put your address in on our website, and we'll send you one if you want it by paper. It has, a couple forms in it, a new client form that's 2 pages long that asks you a lot of questions. Since this new tax law has some interesting, I've gone to a number of seminars and talked to colleagues, and we've tried to figure out deductions we can still do for people, or new types of things we can do on the tax return that will help you out long term. And so we ask some questions on our new client form that will answer those. And then if you are flight crew, fill out the flight calendar. You don't have to fill out the whole thing, like every city you went to, all of your overnights, but just at least check the box on the top that says, I kept records of my overnights, because that is going to make it so that we know you have proof. In case the IRS ever does try to say that your reimbursement is taxable, you do need to keep proof that you have overnights. If you're with Southwest, every 3 months that proof gets archived, and you will not be able to get access to it without a court order. So please try to download that. Just put it on your calendar for once a month, downloading it. If you're United, they do it for you, so you don't have any worries. And American, you can get it for years later, so no worries there. But Southwest, try to always download those, because you want to keep proof, even if we're not doing the actual city by city per diems right now. Anyway, we're totally here for you. Give us a call or email if you have any questions. You'll realize we're very friendly, very trustworthy. Our clients really like us. So we'll talk soon. Thanks.